This is the GST portal advisory related GSTR 3B under 3.2 has been blocked. So GST portal has released advisory in reporting value in table number 3.2 of GSTR 3B dated 16 May 2025. So there is mention this is to inform taxpayers of the following developments concerning table 3.2 of form GSTR 3B. So in first paragraph has mentioned as per the earlier advisory dated April 11 2025, it was communicated that the auto-populated value in table 3.2 of form GSTR 3B would be made non-editable starting from April 2025 tax period for the month to be filled in May 2025. So this has been decided that GSTR 3B under table number 3.2 you cannot make any changes. So this was made changes in April 11 2025, and it was communicated from GSTR 3B portal. In the second column there has mentioned, however, GST has received several representation and grievance from taxpayers regarding this changes. So there is so many grievance and there is so many representation has been received from taxpayers regarding these changes, and their concern are correctly being examined and will be suitably addressed in the course. In table number third has mentioned, in the interest of taxpayers' convenience and to facilitate smooth filing, it has been decided that table number 3.2 shall remain editable. Now you can edit for the time being. Taxpayers are advised to report or amend the auto-populated entries if required and furnish their return accordingly. So with this GST advisory, GST portal want to uh, allow to all the taxpayers they can make changes in GSTR 3.2 table number under GSTR 3B. So you can make changes in table number 3.2 if there is any amendment and any changes will be required. So now this table has been editable, so you can make changes and file your return smoothly. I hope this information will help you out. If this information will help you out, so please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Keep watching. If you want to improve your accounting knowledge, taxation knowledge, so I have two channel. First, Suman Education Hub channel, where I will provide all the videos related accounts and taxation in Hindi language. If you want to learn accounting work and you want to improve your accounting working skill and want to take a higher position in accounts, so you can visit Suman Education Hub, which is a Hindi channel, and I have one more channel in English language, Suman Education Hub English. Here I will provide all the videos related accounts and taxation in English language. If you want to learn accounting or taxation work in English language, so you will get to uh, see all the videos related accounts and taxation in English language. So I have two channel, Suman Education Hub, this is Hindi channel, Suman Education Hub English, this is English accounting and taxation.